Hey there everyone, this is CryptoMorv and welcome to another video of Bitcoin LTF update. And today we're going to talk about what's going on in the lower term time frame. And today is Sunday. There is something to be expected in Sunday. So I didn't make any video on Saturday because it was not necessary. I'll be posting videos from like Sunday to Friday. So yeah, let's talk about what could happen in the like upcoming 24 hours. Like tomorrow is Monday, so Monday opening can be a little volatile. That entire day can be a little bit volatile. So right here, from the past 6 months, in my opinion, past 6 months, we have seen a Sunday pump. I'll just find it for you. I forgot to mark it before I started the video. A Sunday pump right here, and then right after we make a high on Monday, we retrace the entire pump. We have plenty of examples right here, but yeah, I have a lot of trades that I made on the Sunday pump, Monday high, Tuesday low. So yeah, if we see a Sunday pump like today, if you see a pump, for example, Bitcoin goes back above 91k. So expect a full retracement by the next weekdays. For example, Bitcoin went up from Sunday to Monday, right? And then expect a full retracement of the pump by next weekdays from like Tuesday to like Friday. So yeah, right here, if Bitcoin shows any kind of strength today, it is likely just a trap. And as I said in my previous videos, that Bitcoin could potentially go test 87k again and also 86.5k, these liquidity levels. I'm just gonna mark it right over here. Uh, this one, this one, and this one, and also this one. So most likely Bitcoin is coming back to this level and then just go up in the upcoming few days. Why? Because we have an important area of support, which is the 618 level. We mark from this low to this high, as I mentioned in my previous video, it it comes around like this level, 86.7k. Yeah, 86.8k. And also, if you look at the logarithmic on off, we can see it has already been tested. But if we have the logarithmic on, we can see another push to the downside and hit these levels and then go up. So we have a confluence, we have a support level right here, we have a liquidity level where Bitcoin can take out the liquidity and gain some strength and then finally see a push to the upside. The worst case would be, in my terms, it is a best case that Bitcoin comes back to like 84k, takes out this low, and then goes to the upside. So I don't care where Bitcoin comes, here or here, I'm gonna take my entry. I'm gonna take more entry here, and the final entry would be at this level. I'm gonna keep my stops below this low. It could be a little bit wide stop loss, but yeah, I'm willing to take the risk. For example, I have an average entry price at this level, and I will keep my stops below this one, and I'll keep my target at 100,000. Pretty good, 2.5. So right here, we have an important area of support. Let Bitcoin come to the support, and then we will open positions. I've already opened a little position like a couple of minutes ago, I guess. A little bit of the position, only 1/5. I will open more at like here, 87k, and also more at 84k. I'm just gonna keep my stop below the 80.5k Big stop loss, but yeah, I can handle it. Something like this. So my entry should trigger around this level. After we hit this level, we get to go to the upside, right? So right here, you can check out my Discord server. I'll talk about it in a while, but yeah, let's talk about the chart for now. And here, if you look at the fixed range volume profile, we can currently see we are clearly below the point of control. So our value area low comes around 85k, 86k. So probably we take out the liquidity, we come to the value area low, we overshoot, like undershoot the value area low, hit this level, and then go up. We see some deviations from value area highs here, also deviation from value area lows. So probably another deviation, then we go to the upside. Tag the 200 SMA, then go to the downside. So that's the long-term plan. But here, Bitcoin looks bearish in LTF. So I expect Bitcoin to come at least to 87k and then go up. But yeah, right here, Bitcoin looks bullish in midterm. In low term time frame, Bitcoin is bearish. We can come back and then we can bounce to the new high. All right, so that is basically the Bitcoin's plan. Let's look at the liquidation heat map over here. We can see on the 2 week time frame on the symbol mode, Bitcoin has a lot of liquidity lying to the upside. If you look at the monthly, I think the picture is the same. Oh, actually not. Actually not. Right here, we have a lot of liquidity at 87k and 86.2k. As I said a while ago, that we can come here and then push to the upside. So the best position, the best level to open a long is this at 86k and 87k. So let Bitcoin do its job. Let Bitcoin come to your entry and then push to the upside. So if you look at the liquidation map, right here we can see on the 7 day we have a little bit to the downside as shown in like a while ago. Bitcoin could come to 87k, 86k, and then push to the upside. If you look at the 30 days, we have like a lot of liquidation towards like 99k. So we can definitely come back to 86k, dry up the low side liquidity, and then hunt for the high side. If you look at the ETFs, we can see the last ETF we had on 23rd Jan, which is the Friday, we had 100 million outflow. So we had started an outflow and it was bigger and bigger and bigger, and then it dried up, and then it came around like 100 million again. So a bit more outflow can happen in the next weekdays, but yeah, that could be corresponding with Bitcoin coming back to 86k and then and then push to the upside. So I'm waiting for Bitcoin to hit this level so we can open up a nice long position. That will be the best position we can have. So yeah, if you want to join our free VIP Discord group, just check the link in the description on this video below. You'll find a Discord link. Just join the free VIP Discord. Follow me on Twitter and also create a BTC account with my link to join the premium group. It is absolutely free. You don't have to pay me any money. Just sign up using the link, deposit, and just trade as usual. You don't have to do KYC or stuff. You just have to trade with us and you will be part of our trading community. The link will take you here. Just email and pass. Just create an account, deposit, and start trading today. So yeah, click the link in the description, join our Discord, and become a premium member on the CryptoMorv VIP channel. So yeah, let's get into the video again. Right here, Bitcoin looks bearish in LTF. If you look at the RSI, we can probably make a bullish divergence. We're already like down here, so if we go back down to this level in the upcoming few hours, we will have a bullish divergence, lower low on the chart and higher low on the RSI. So this could potentially give us a nice bounce in the upcoming few weeks. I expect Bitcoin to bounce like until like late Feb. So yeah, that's basically my idea. After we hit the 200 SMA, which is around like now around like 105K, and it should be rolling over soon by 23rd Feb or 25th Feb. It should be at the 200 SMA. My bad. Since I don't edit my videos, I do not like cut out like parts that you do not need to hear. But yeah, right now bear with it. I'm just trying to be better. All right. So the 200 SMA can catch up, can like catch up to Bitcoin price by like early, no early, like mid to late Feb, and then we can tag the 200 SMA, and then finally push to the bear market lows at 50K or 45K. All right, so that's basically it. Thank you for watching. This was just a Sunday video. If you see a pump on Sunday, make sure you find a high on Monday, not Tuesday, Monday. And then the next days following the week, we should see a drop, retracing the entire pump. All right, so thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Make sure you manage your risk. Make sure you join my free VIP Discord group, which is absolutely free. Just create a BTC account, and that's enough. I'll see you guys. I'll see. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.